Well, hello. Ketchup. Tomato ketchup. Ew, ew.
What are you doing?
Ew!
Put it down.
Text message!
I'm a loser. No one talks to me. I'm gonna go cry myself to sleep.
Okay, it is Sunday,
5:55.
5:55, February 28th, 2010, and I dyed my hair. It's got blonde in it. I can't tell.
That's ugly.
Your face is ugly, okay?
I know, look at it. It's so ugly.
Just, ugh. I like
Blue. Pants.
dick. You're like blue. Pants. And I'm like, dick. Big cock.
You creep me out sometimes, Morgan. Please stop.
I'm sorry. But I have my senior meeting tomorrow. I'm gonna be a senior next year. Uh-oh.
Your face is really close to the screen.
I know. And I'm gonna get closer.
Your ugliness is gonna break it.
And closer and closer. Oh,
I'm surprised the camera isn't like.
Shut up!
No, thank you.
Look how bright this comb is. See how bright it is? It's bright. It's bright. I mean, it's bright. I think that we have been doing this for already 2 minutes and 16 and 17 seconds. That
19, 20.
we need to do something exciting. I'm going to pause it.
I don't know.